Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I just received my Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy Original now, for the month of December. I'll pop deets right here. But the basic premise is for about $14 a month, you get 5 travel try-me size items. We do get a full-size item sometimes, and a makeup bag. I've always said that I feel like the subscription box world, specifically Ipsy and stuff like that, we get a really good bang for our buck. It's a really affordable way to try and test different hair, skin, makeup, things like that, without kind of breaking the bank. I also like the idea of doing specifically the Ipsy Glam bag Original for a new beauty who is dipping their toes in the beauty spectrum. It's also a really good way to build a full collection if that's something you're trying to do. I'm feeling some texture. Oh, that bag is hella cute, and it pretty much matches what I'm wearing today. I have a little like pink and red with cherries with a cute little bow. And this is like a beautiful kind of lilac with red with the bows, but the bow is like actually glitter. And then we have the little zipper pull. That's cute as hell, y'all. All right, we always get an informative card. It will give us generally like pertinent deets, dates, things like that. And it usually, yes, it will usually tell us what we got in here. I'm not gonna look at that just yet. Our Ipsy December 2025 theme is Play, Beauty, Spread Joy. From finding the perfect gift to unwrapping something sparkly for yourself. This is the time to brighten spirits, starting with your own. And I agree. Y'all know I'm all about self-love, self-care, positive affirmations, things like that. So we're just gonna go in. Right on top, I have the Pacifica Hydration Hydro Dew Slime Barrier Care Gel. It says vegan, phytomucin, and ectoine, I guess. That sounds nice and intriguing. Next up, another little squeezy tube. This is the Koa Life NAD Peptide Facial Scrub. Okay. We have, an Adagio, the Cooling Scalp Serum, a clarifying treatment that gently exfoliates buildup, soothes irritation, and balances scalp hydration. That's pretty cool. So we've gotten a hair product and 2 skincare products thus far. Next up, we have a Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip in the shade Rose. And then last up in my Ipsy Glam bag, the original Ipsy Glam bag, I have a cute little palette. Okay, this is the Luna Magic, the Amore palette. Very much giving, you know, like Natasha Denona type vibes. Let me grab some tweezers because I can't actually open it. That's a good little tip too, like if you keep tweezers and you have trouble opening things, stick the tweezers in there, they open up just fine. Oh, cute. And it's pink. That is really, really pretty. It's actually very reminiscent of the palette I'm wearing on my eyes today. All right, I love this bag, you guys. We got the palette, we got the Maracuja lip, we got a hair product, and then 2 skincare products. My profile is that I have light to medium skin, dark eyes, dark hair. I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skin. So I like to see a 3-2 ratio where I get more like other things, and then 2 makeup items. So I'm thrilled with it. Let's talk some deets really quickly. All right, we have our Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm Gloss in Rose. Gloss meets balm in this juicy formula that cushions lips with hydration while adding a glossy pop of rosy color. Powered by the brand's Maracuja oil, this yummy formula helps to nourish and smooth for that fresh, juicy look. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is 27. This is not a product that I like. I think they're a little bit too wet and too mushy-gushy, so they're just not my preference, but it's nice to have in the bag. Next up, we have our Pacifica Beauty Hydro Dew Vegan Mucin Barrier Face Moisturizer. Get skin that looks hydrated and refreshed, while vegan mucin helps to smooth texture and support a plumper appearance. Avocado extract works hard to nourish and feed your skin those must-have nutrients. Vegan squalane locks in moisture so your skin can glow that extra mile. And this is apply while skin is still slightly damp to maximize hydration and lock in your glow. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $16. Most of what I've tried from Pacifica I really do love. Next up, we had our Cutie Patootie little palette. This is the Luna Magic the Amour palette. Fall head over heels for these ultra blendable, richly pigmented mauve shades that flatter every skin tone. With buttery mattes and luminous shimmers, this palette makes dialing up your eye look easy. Plus, it's compact and travel friendly. This is a full-size palette for $26, so that pays for the entirety of our bag. Next up, we had the Adagio Soothing Relief Cooling Scalp Serum. Banish discomfort with this refreshing treatment that helps gently exfoliate and boost hydration. Lactic acid soothes and balances, while a refreshing cooling sensation adds an extra This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $49. And that kind of goes back to what I was saying at the beginning of the video. If I paid $49 for the full size of this and I didn't like it, I'm out $49. Whereas in this case, I'm paying roughly $3 for it. So just noting that. And then last but not least, we have our Koa Life NAD Peptide Facial Scrub. Get your glow on with this gentle facial scrub. This peptide-powered scrub buffs away dullness without the harsh grit, leaving your complexion smooth, soft, and lit from within. It's gentle enough to use a few times a week and effective enough to earn a permanent spot in your routine. Manufacturer's full size of this would be $110. This is a deluxe sample. So again, if I paid $110 and I hated this, I'd be a little bit mad, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, not my all-time favorite selection, but I do like it overall, and I'm definitely not mad at the selection. I'd like to know, are we bag twins? What did you get in your bag this month? And what is your preference? Do you prefer to get more makeup? Do you prefer more skincare? Do you like a little even balance? I'd like to know. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can hype the video. You can turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my uploads. And there's a join button right down there. You can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!